Did you know that you can easily multiply your garlic? From one garlic bulb, you can grow at least 12 new ones. Let me show you how to never run out of garlic again. Choose healthy and not too dry garlic bulbs. The first step is to remove the papery skin and separate the individual cloves. Garlic prefers well-draining soil with plenty of organic matter. You could even add some compost. I prefer to start growing my plants indoors, so I use a planting tray. Fill in the soil and put the cloves in it. Make sure the pointed end is facing up and the flat end where the roots grow is facing down. Don't bury the plants completely in soil and don't forget to water. After about 2 weeks, my clove started to grow some leaves, as you can see here. The roots also started to grow and it's time to plant them outdoors. Get the growing cloves carefully out of the planting tray and start to dig some holes. The cloves should be planted about 5 centimeters deep and 10 centimeters apart. Ideally, the soil temperature is around 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. In warmer climates, garlic can also be planted in early spring as soon as the soil can be worked. You can even plant the cloves directly outdoors. Water the garlic regularly, especially during dry spells, to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Garlic is typically ready to harvest in mid to late summer when the leaves start to yellow and dry out. Carefully lift the bulbs from the soil using the garden fork or hands, being careful not to bruise or damage the bulbs. When all bulbs are harvested, remove any excess soil and clean them. Hang the garlic bulbs in a warm, dry, and well-ventilated area, such as a garage or shed, with good air circulation. Alternatively, you can spread the bulbs out on a clean, dry surface, such as a screen or a wire rack. Allow the garlic bulbs to cure for several weeks, until the outer skin is dry and papery. This will help to preserve the garlic and improve its flavor. Once the garlic bulbs are fully cured, trim off the roots and cut back the stem to about an inch above the bulb. Did you like the video? I would be very happy about a comment from you.